Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Blessing here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make two color stick ponytail. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe now. What we have here, we have rubber band, we have woven brush, we have scissors, we have thread, we have needle, we have photo bee. So here we go for the hair, guys. So what we have to do here, have to comb our hair and bring out some parts just to achieve your baby hair, guys. Yeah. So right now I will be using my rubber bands to hold the hair like so, like 5 to 6 times. So the next thing that I will be doing here, I will be doing the braids, guys, for the ponytail. As you can see right now, after doing the braids, I have to bring out the needle to sew the braid rounds, like just to secure the braid rounds. Okay, guys. So I'm going to be using the gel to tie the hair. As you can see right now, guys, I am using the gel to slip down the hair. Okay, guys. So after that, you bring out your comb, then make sure you comb your hair and comb it very well. And we are applying the gel for the baby hair. Yes, what I do here, guys, you'll be surprised. I'm using the brush to make sure that I section the hair just little by little, like that. Okay, and bringing out my baby hair, guys. Yes, so I just spray it with spray gel, as you can see right now. After that, just use my hair tie to hold it down, you see, like so. Yeah, so you guys have to wait, okay, for the next. So I'm bringing out my two expression braids, which is color 1 and orange color. We are going to mix these two colors together and bring out the hair, cut it, and make sure that you section one packet into two, like so. The same thing you will do with the black. Okay, then you use the elastic band to hold it. Okay, guys. So the next thing we are going to be doing here, we are going to be doing the ponytail, guys. Just cut some parts out which you will use to hold the ponytail round. Yes, so what I do here, I just use my finger to do the measurement of the ponytail before I now start to use thread to hold it, like so. So guys, please don't mind my English. Please, I must tell you this, please don't mind my English because I am not too perfect. Okay, guys. So what we are here to do, we are just here to learn. Okay, like as I told you before, I always use the finger to do the measurement of the ponytail before I will now use the thread just to hold it like the way you're seeing it right now. Okay, guys, that is how I will be doing it step by step until I will not achieve the stick ponytails, guys. Okay, guys, so please, guys, please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for, guys? Please subscribe to this channel. Make sure you watch this video to the end, because I really want you to understand how I achieve this 2-color stick ponytails. Here we achieve the ponytail, guys. So what I will be doing here, I'm going to be install this stick ponytail on my head, guys, as you can see right now. And make sure you use the rubber to hold it, hold the braid maybe like 4 to 5 times. Yes, after that, the expression that I cut out, I'm going to be using it to hold the hair round. Just hold it round like so, just to secure the ponytail. Okay, guys, so please, guys, please, I will be leaving all the link of my video in the description box, guys. Please, if you watch this video, you know that this video is helpful to you. Please don't fail to watch the rest, and make sure you subscribe, like, share, press the notification bell, guys. In case of each time I upload the video, you'll be the first person to be notified. So right now, this is the result of my 2-color stick ponytails, guys. Okay, guys, so what do you guys think about this video? I hope this video is helpful to you. So if this video is helpful to you, guys, please share, like. Okay, guys, I will see you in my next video, guys. Bye bye.